So, hey, welcome to Cheap Random Fun. We're playing... Fuck, what's the game? White Noise.
White.
Alright, we're playing White Noise 2. I don't know what happened to White Noise 1. I think it was only a computer game, but we're playing White Noise 2 on the Xbox with my two friends. Yeah, you can see their names on the screen. So we're just gonna get right into it. So the point of this game is that we're supposed to kill the monster before it kills us by looking for clues. I think there's like, I don't know, 12 clues? How many is there?
They're like 7.
Oh, there's 8.
8.
It says 8 clues on the top. So the clues could be anything. So
I agreed with you.
here, this guy is Haunter, so say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so there you go. That's his voice. Haunter's, that's his voice. And then this is Pulgarcito. Just say your voice. Okay. Ah. So you gotta look for the tape. Did anybody press X? It says it's over here.
No. Well, I already found one of the tapes.
I clicked it. It said it was over here. I don't know
Wait, what is that?
where it's at now. I was
It's right
hearing
here.
it.
Or what? Oh, it's a recharge battery.
I think that was a battery. I hear it.
I'm gonna take it.
Oh look, it's a thing. You just gotta point at
Take
it.
one or what?
No, look, it's a prism. You gotta put your light at it. You know, break. Where are you? I don't see you on.
I don't know where you came from. What?
I shouted. You see me?
Oh yeah.
There you go. You look like a monster yourself. There's another one.
I wonder
Oh, it's
what's
the
the
fucking thing.
monster?
It says it's this way.
Where?
It's yellow this way.
I don't see you. What the fuck? You're right there.
I'm right behind you.
We were looking at this way and you were there.
Oh. What?
A vampire.
Hides in the mist. It would have sounded better if you just said like vampire looking ass or something like that. We just said vampire ass. It's like, what's wrong with a vampire's ass? I think a tape is in here. Yeah, you see, look. It's right here on the bed. Alright, I'll pick it up. Yay! So now we got 5 more
Sex
clues.
tape is on the bed.
Oh!
Where's the
What?
I'll get a battery. Where the fuck is it?
Oh, it's right there in the box.
Over here! Alright. These candy... Oh, what the... Oh, shit, it's this monster. This guy's just like... I don't know, he looks like summoning...
I need a battery.
Shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh shoot, he got me.
I can't see you. I'm insane. I'm literally right next to you. Okay. Alright, well, at least he
I
disappeared.
found a battery.
Alright, I pressed
You guys
X.
find a battery? You guys
Yeah, I
find
need
a
a
battery? Can you just tell me?
Said it was over
Well,
here.
if I find one.
Okay. So you see, so don't
Well, how
don't
many
look
times
at
can I get
these
caught
idols
before I
things.
die?
Huh? I didn't hear you. What?
How many times can I get caught before I die?
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
Because my screen's already gray.
Oh look, I found it.
Your screen's gray already?
For real? Oh, I guess because he was holding you for like a really long ass time. Ah shit! Don't look at it. Oh look, there's a battery. It's over here.
Over here!
Right there, you see it?
Wait, I didn't see a person. Oh.
Thank you.
Alright. I pressed X. It says it's over here.
Hello?
I think there'll be one downstairs.
Dude, we only all snap.
Oh, he's right there. He's right.
Oh shit. Don't go in the room on the left. Just keep going straight. Oh fuck, don't look at
Go
it.
in the room.
Go right here, look, a
Oh my
battery.
god.
Thank you.
Damn, shitload of batteries. Oh my god.
Oh, he got me.
Dead. What the hell? I never seen that monster.
Awful.
I was looking
For a
at him.
battery? Why that
That's-
for a battery?
He died because he got caught 3 times.
You only got caught twice.
That was 2 times.
Remember, 3 times is max. I think he's behind
But I
us.
was
Where is he?
twice.
Ah, he's right there. Put a fire thing, Pistol, to help him slow down. Yeah, he slowed down. There, he disappeared.
I was thinking about like vampire ass.
Vampire's ass.
Oh snap.
Oh, it's over
Dude,
here.
take off the idol.
For real. I hear it. It's behind the wall. It's probably a different room. Oh, what the hell? There's nothing here.
You
Here?
have to like dig into the wall. Oh, maybe it's downstairs.
Oh yeah, maybe downstairs.
It might be in this room right here.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Kinda glitched out
Oh,
on
no,
me.
that's not it. I don't know what that is. There's a battery.
I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna throw a glow stick. Oh shit, I saw your dead body. God damn it, dude. It says it's over here.
It's not.
I pressed X.
Oh
Dude,
snap.
he's right here. Oh, what is this thing? I don't know what this thing is.
Oh, I found it. It's over here on this fucking table.
This deep atmosphere is hard to get.
Ah, he's right there. I can't run away.
It's your sense.
Running away. Dude, I juked him.
Oh,
He
he's
was right there
gone.
in front of me. I was like,
Oh shit, he's right here.
what the hell?
Where? I don't even see him.
Cause you're a ghost. Ghosts are blind as shit. I'm just kidding. Where are you? I was about to say, look at you. You don't even got no damn eyeballs. Look, you see?
We're, like, way
That's-
off. It's
we're going
over.
the right way. It says it's red over here.
You sure?
Just, like, keep going straight.
Should we go downstairs or upstairs?
We're already downstairs. And
Oh
there's
snap,
an idol
idol.
in the
There's
way.
an idol.
Already going insane.
Well, like. Well, I see it.
Ah, I'm going insane. Over here. I'm gonna just walk in. There. You said around here, right? It's still far
Oh,
away.
we're-
There's another idol.
In my it was like the total opposite way.
What the hell? I found a flashbang. That would have killed the
Ooh,
monster
battery.
for the moment. Or like stop him. I'm gonna go insane.
Oh, snap.
I don't know where you guys are going.
I ran away. He's right there. Haha. I made him leave.
Insane! Oh man, I'm about to get insane.
Could anybody press X?
Oh wait,
Hold on. It's this
now
way.
finish loading.
Okay, we only got 2 more.
It's all red.
Oh shit, the monster's like right there.
It's a
don't see him anymore. Yeah, because the monster was here.
You guys left me in the room.
You're too damn fucking slow. Oh shit. He's spawning some shits.
Oh snap, where is he? Oh, he's right behind me.
And you're dead, dude. 'Cause I'm going insane.
Oh, I'm right here with Pobrecito.
I'm going super insane. Oh,
It's
through the
getting
wall.
Just take it.
Ah, damn it. We went the wrong way. There you go. Through here. Don't be an idiot. Look, incense. I'm gonna use it. Oh shit, he's right behind us.
I hear it.
It's probably in this room on the left. Oh, here it is! Ah!
First owners of where
Okay, we got one more clue.
they all ended up.
He's still over there. Seems like he's
Is this
stuck.
one?
Look at him. Okay, just follow the ghost. Oh shit! I got insane, I guess.
This is over here. Over here.
Well, no, look, there's a
Good
statue.
job, man.
Yes, this way, Richard.
I'm putting the statue down so the monster could be distracted. And he's coming this way. Hurry the fuck up. Where? He's that way. You're gonna run into him. You're gonna run into him, Vito. Oh no, he's over here with me. Go, 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 go. Ah shit, I lost him. He's still over
It
there.
says it's about like this. Like why?
You told me don't go over here, and I ran past with you. And then he came from the room that you were right next to.
I know, that's what I said.
This room, Richard.
Where?
Over here.
I don't. Oh, okay, I see.
It's like somewhere right here.
Oh. Oh, the library room. All we gotta do is look for these shards. 3 more. 1 more. Oh, now we gotta look for the ritual. Here it is.
You find it.
Oh shit. When don't I find everything?
Oh, the sickles, the
Yeah,
sickles.
it's here.
Where is it?
The artifact is now visible in
It's
this
like
dimension.
right over here.
Oh yeah, it's over here. Run! Follow the ghost! They didn't even give us a lot of items.
Is it in the bottom?
Oh look! Painkillers.
No, battery. I need the battery.
Recover
Oh, it's
my
not even a battery.
sanity.
It's a med
Oh, it's a
kit.
med kit.
I need a battery.
I don't see any.
There's one over here. Oh wait, never mind.
Oh, there's one right there on the left. Oh no, it's behind the room. So right here. On the chair. Now hurry up and pick it up.
No. There, I picked it up.
I'm already in
Do
the
we have like time?
Oh snap, it's right
It's a
here.
time limit to like die. Yeah, sure, just call him. Yeah, you called him. He's like right here.
He's right behind me. He's right behind me.
I don't know where. Oh, I see. Oh shit, he's right there. There, he disappeared for now. Saw the black smoke, fire, fog. Got it. There's 4 more.
Got it.
It's over here, Fito.
And
Oh,
2 more. Oh, I see one.
It's over here. No.
Got it?
I got the last one.
Oh,
Distract him. Yeah!
He's gonna die.
It's okay. I survived though.
Hey, I'm right there.
Oh, I thought he was gonna be dead.
That was too fucking easy, dude.
I know.
Easy peasy. Oh my god.